So hello and welcome to the channel, and today I want to show you how to remove and replace the light on MK4 Ford Focus side mirrors. So basically it's kind of easy, just need a little bit. So let's see, from the tools we're just gonna need this screwdriver. And what you're gonna do, it's kind of easier when it's on the car, but still. So you see here, you just click it and take it out. So basically that's it. And then you have this two of should be some wirings. So basically just take these out and change the light inside. I mean, you should probably need to change everything. I don't think you can change just the light, but not really 100% sure. So, and when you change it, you just click it in. So that's about that for this. It's not that hard to change. So once again, I'll show you. You take your screwdriver, need just a small one, flat one. So, and you click it over here. So, and basically just take out. It's not that hard. And this way you turn it back. So, and that's that. So, that's the MK4. So here you can see as well. So I hope this will help you, because yeah, this light do want to go away, wanna die. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow, and see you next one. So till next one, see ya.